Hey, what's going on, guys? Today we're announcing our new indicator. It's called the Smart Money Mastery Toolbox indicator, where it will be plotting the different trading sessions. So you have the London session, the Asian session, the New York session, and the Sydney session. With this indicator, you can see in which session you're currently trading in. London session and New York session are most of the time pretty volatile. Also, the indicator marks up the previous day high and the previous day low, and also the previous month high and the previous month low. So you can take that in consideration of your your trades that you're placing. So if we go through the settings, first of all, you need to go through the disclaimer and make sure you're agreed to it. Otherwise, the indicator won't work. I currently have the time zone on TradingView on UTC +2, and the time zone is standard for me on Europe/Berlin. If you keep it like this and you only change it to the city you're from or the closest city you're from, the time frame should be good, so you don't need to change the times of the sessions. So with the general settings, you can choose to show the labels. If you disable this, you won't be able to see the names of the sessions. You can also see the historic plot together with the historic labels in case you want to see what it was the previous days, as you can see here. Alright, let me disable this quickly. You can also choose to show the price on the labels, which could be valuable information for you while trading. You have the option to enable the background color and to change the color of the high and low. So if I want to change this to blue, then as you can see here, the text will be changed to blue, but I'm just going to keep it default. So you can basically choose which session you want to see. So currently I've enabled every session except Sydney session because I'm not trading in it at all. So for me, it's not valuable information to see what was the high or the low in that session. So I only want to see it from the London session, the New York session, and the Asian session. Most of the time, the switch from Asian session to London session is the most valuable one because there's the most bullish or bearish market involvement. So yeah, you can get free access by joining our Discord server. The link will be down below. The moment when you enter our Discord server, if you're already a member, you can just go straight to Enroll Beta Indicators and click on the Get Access button over here. If you're not a member yet, a beta tester member, you can go to this page over here, register your TradingView username, and then you can enroll the beta indicator, so you will be able to get free access until we decide to move the indicator to our premium indicators that we have over here. So that's the Smart Money Concepts indicator and the multiple time frame supply and demand zones and trend watcher indicator. Here again are the prices that we handle for the premium indicators. Just one more time again, this indicator, the session indicator, will be free for access for the upcoming couple weeks. So yeah, make sure to enjoy it, and we will be updating it in the upcoming weeks to make it even better. Alright guys, thank you and see you next time.